This is Des TV NG.
Yes, so my correct better people, I throw a salute to give now for anyway where we say when they watch us. This one na Tori where the boss brain inside Des TV. And na me be don shanty the world best inspirational hype man. And I know say this matter, I know if you carry am alone because if I carry am alone, I go for Yakata. I always deal with my manchi. Honorable one. You honor?
You're welcome.
Take it.
Let's leave the other one for our forefather.
My people. Now me then they call with Moral, aka Onyarebu. Honorable one, representing all the Bachelors Association. On behalf of the Bachelors, I am here.
Very, very important. Your honor. You see today's topic,
we go look into the increment of things for market. You know, say, you know, the reason why we would here now to speak the mind of people
the
and
truth.
also speak our mind too. So I won't make you look into this matter. Waiting, how you take things, say this thing they increase and they affect us.
You know, when it comes to this increasement of foodstuff market, my brother, this is unbearable. This is not fair, especially for we, the Bachelors. Because we are now complaining. You know, before we will feature kind like 300, go chop mama put, rice, momo, and the plantain. Before you know, your stomach don't swell up. But for now, you cannot go into mama put and chop food of 500 and be okay. Talk more of you want to cook. Say, everything. As jambada,
Everything. So you know, to me, from my own side now, waiting a reason. You understand? Say, even people where you see say we're supposed to produce this thing. I'm not sure whether they do them again. Most especially make I go for people now where they for village. How person where they village go, they ask person where they city to send you money to buy food stuff. No be when that 90s. You know, 90s when me are there with grandma, we know the when they village, no they ask anybody for city send money. So I think say people where they village self go no they even agree go do farming again. I think the thing started from there, but I don't know what thing you self.
Sometimes if you reason here, you reason
the other side.
Our system need to have that office whereby the people them go they assist the agriculture. People will be farmers. People where they do agriculture. We never get system where they support those where they do the farming. Where them supposed to they supply fertilizer, tractors, go to the village because we there for here. We have so many empty land. Empty. The other day I was traveling to village. I was looking at how many hectares of land that we have.
Everywhere.
It is uncountable. Bush. Land just the waste. If you buy land, some go just go fence and leave them inside. While inside, they supposed to they plant. They put on go and vegetable.
If you can't look what happen is like almost everything what they use for this country. Everything they important. Even toothpick where they use
I always go with the toothpick because I always like to eat nkwobi.
Everything is important. And now you are talking about our system, and this system is very, very important. It's very important because when this thing come day, they provide where people go to do this agriculture. People go come they work.
Yes, that will be employment. If there is enough land where you employ people where they do agriculture, farmers to come in, employment will there
and food go there.
And the food go there.
Nobody go increase anyhow.
For this our country, they only believe say the only food the way they chop is rice and beans and yam. Without knowing that the fruit is also a good food. And it is also medicinal.
Not only for our this country, I know say fruit they come by season. You know what? If we continue to talk this matter, Chigabo no go end for here. Make we match small break for here.
No go come back.
If we come back, so my people now here go take a match small break. If we come back, go come give on a small tip things we did before we go waka come out for studio. No go anywhere for we will be back.
This is Des TV NG.
you know, this increasement of food stock market has really dealt with me because I don't like eating mama put. I like cooking. You know, sometimes I go like I want to cook. I will be calculating what to buy, what not to buy, because every ingredient must be in my soup, and the money will swell up. You cannot go with 1 naira and say you want to eat better soup.
So the guy food where they eat
better soup na money killer. And again, our parents need to help again when it comes to producing babies. You must not born 20. You must for our yard na every month, every window from window
and there is no food.
And there is no food.
And you know, you get wetin I notice. You see for this country wey dey, I notice say sometimes people go just wake up, carry price put for something, and our people wey dey for top, they no dey look into that.
Now that's
they need to look into that matter.
You know, now that one dey vex me. You know, a woman, a person where they sell, he go know say normal price of this pick milk or this tea is 100 naira. You know, before you know it, they have increased it to 250, 300,
and we get used to it.
And there is no system to regulate and monitor those things. What would they buy? Because they have it enough in their banquets. They go chop, they eat. They don't care that this thing is affecting the poor.
Nobody cares. You know wetin dey happen there. My people, you see this matter now wey we don dey try dey analyse wetin we need now na make people wey dey for top make dem try put regulation, put people wey go dey monitor the things. No be say person go wake up one morning carry price put and there is nothing you can do, because e choke me when even pure water go increase. I hear say they increase pure water. See, in a system where be say water don go high, the money don increase for water. So I go beg our governments dem, our head dem wey dey, abeg when you come to agriculture, make we find way wey we go put system where people go take dey cultivate, so food go dey come boko. No be so go dey import.
We go dey wait make Congo, make Ivory Coast dey send the food. Make north dey say while there is land everywhere.
Wey be say land wey be say we go use do agriculture, we go build hotel where we dey produce beans. The system will collapse. So make we look into this matter. You know, abeg make you no vex too much. As the matter take be, just summer them the next topic we will go treat, because your body don dey boil. This agriculture and the increasements of things.
In fact, if look at me, before I used to be fat.
No vex.
You know, you go buy meat, you no go see meat. You go buy crayfish, you no go see crayfish. You go buy okra, you no go see okra. This thing is affecting all the bachelors, and they are complaining. You know, I'm the one representing all the bachelors association.
As we don't pour our mind now, I know say they go reason and take us off this problem, because it's affecting everybody. Even chicken no dey even green.
Why we no dey see rice again for our street to chop? In fact, my people, thank you for watching this TV. You know, we want to bring on another Tori with the boss brain next episode. Where go be our Tori go be
Nepa. You know say na because of the writing, it make us come dey think before we go talk too much, they go take
Nepa before you know light don't go. You know, in fact, we go talk the next episode for Nepa. We go took hand for we go took mouth for that man. On top of the matter. No wahala.
Make una no gain.
Yes, make una no gain.
Love una. Oh, Baba God, I love una pass.
Thank you.
Would it be enough, or would it